What's up, everybody? Okay, so I'm back in Pittsburgh, and today I was going to go check out a new park, just some woods in this old park, just to see if there's anything in these woods. But I got rained out. It stormed. As soon as I got there, it started just absolutely pouring. So I came the whole way back to the old city park, and I just got here, and my second tone, it was like a deep 24. It was even up to like 34. It said it was really deep, so I dug down, and it was clean too. And where'd it go? Right there. Right there. It's a silver dime. Oh, that's gonna be a barber too. Oh, wow. Place has been hammered, and there's just still stuff here, man. Don't be afraid to go to the city parks. There's still stuff here. Right there you can see it says 1 dime. Maybe. Well, I can't get it to focus on that, but you can see it says 1 dime. Pop that off there. So it's going to... Oh my goodness, it's not a barber, it's a seated. Holy smokes. I better be careful with this. $18.91. Just made it. I don't know what's the matter with my phone. It won't focus today. Okay, that's a hell of a start though. See if we can find anything else. I haven't found anything in a little while. That 30-second rule really got me. It's been probably about an hour. I finally just got a good target right here. It was coming up as a 12-13. Sounded like it was on the surface. It was giving me the double beep, but you can see it was down about 4 inches. It's a buffalo nickel. Awesome. See, it was all gray right there where it was. Oh my god, it's not really hot, it's muggy. I'm sweating profusely. Chased out by the rain again. Well, it's not raining yet, but it was thundering and lightning, and it's headed this way. So I'm just getting out of here. It's dark anyway, so got a couple good things. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting. I'll see you next time.